My safety is my concern.
Sir, I will drag you to jail.
Obstructing is a physical act. So I'm going to jail for obstruction?
Yep.
Why do you consider that obstruction?
Welcome back to the Lackluster channel. Today's story features Spitting Cobra Cop Watch. On 6/16/2021, he was filming an incident involving the Glendale Police Department, who was assisting probation officers in an arrest of an alleged felon who had barricaded himself in his apartment. The report put out on the department's Facebook page claims that Spitting Cobra began causing a distraction for the officers, but the video Spitting Cobra released starts with him walking up to the area on a public sidewalk where there was no crime scene tape and where there were multiple other citizens, some standing directly in front of the apartment's entrance. However, all attention was directed to the cameraman, with Officer B. Johnston telling him to move away for his safety, which is odd considering how much closer the other bystanders were and his failure to address the citizens walking by.
What? My safety is my concern.
Sir, I will drag you to jail.
For what?
You're obstructing. You're obstructing. Go over there.
Listen
Go
to me.
over there.
Obstructing is a physical act.
Do you want to go to jail?
Obstructing is a physical act.
Go over there.
I'm standing
You
here
can go over there
in
where
the
you're not
public with a
obstructing. Go away.
fucking camera. What's your name?
Johnston.
B.
Go over
Johnston.
there and away.
Officer Johnston has now focused his attention to the camera, threatening Spitting Cobra with jail for obstructing if he doesn't leave the public sidewalk. However, in Arizona, obstructing a criminal investigation is defined as knowingly, by means of bribery, misrepresentation, intimidation, or force, or threats of force, to obstruct, delay, or prevent the communication of information or testimony relating to a violation of any criminal statute to a peace officer. Section 13-2402 further defines it as using or threatening to use violence or physical force, and so far, his actions don't fall into either category.
I will stay right here, motherfucker.
Disorderly conduct now. You're going to jail. Go to the ground. Go to the ground. You're under arrest. You are under arrest. Why am I under arrest? Don't resist. Go to the ground. Go to the ground.
I can stand right here.
Go to the ground.
Right here.
Bring your other arm back.
Obstruction is a physical act.
I'm good if you want to go back over there with him.
I need to talk to your sergeant. I need your sergeant here. Can you let me turn my wrist? You got it on there wrong.
Which one?
This one. It's wrong.
Does that help at all?
No.
Okay, hold on. Right now I need to leave you where you're at because if somebody starts shooting out of that apartment, I don't want you in harm's way.
I'm not worried about it.
I am.
My safety is my concern.
It's also mine.
No, it isn't.
Officer Johnston initially seems to be walking away from Spitting Cobra, but because of his use of an expletive, the officer not only places him under arrest, citing disorderly conduct, he takes him all the way to the ground, abandoning his partner and a potentially dangerous scene behind him. The officer has effectively hindered Spitting Cobra's ability to flee if a shootout was to occur. I imagine he would be more safe on his feet and with his hands free. Both Supreme Court cases, Warren v. DC and Gonzales v. Castle Rock, held that the police have no duty to protect the public, which means Spitting Cobra's safety is not the officer's concern. Note that the officer didn't tell any of the other people on scene to leave, only the guy with a camera.
The Supreme Court has ruled that. You are not responsible for my safety. I need to talk to your sergeant.
Oh, don't turn your arms. Don't turn your arms. There you go, like that. That's as comfortable as I can make it right now.
Okay.
You want to move him to the car, get him over the ground?
I don't want him in front of that window, to be honest with you. He said that kid, they suspect his arms, so.
Yeah. I don't want to stand here in front of him either. It'd be a
I agree.
So you're moving, dude. What's your name?
I don't.
Don't make me drag you. I need to move because there's a threat at this window. I don't
It's
I don't care about what you're
David.
want to deal with now. Let's move.
It's
because we're in
David.
a bad spot. That's why we were trying to get you to move in the first place.
Okay.
Now you've prolonged the amount of time we're in danger, and I'm not real happy about it. So let's go.
Sit up. I'm gonna help you stand up. We're gonna move down the way, so I don't have to worry about you.
I'm out here with patrol to watch their backs.
Hey, can you grab my
No,
smoke?
not right now.
I'm not worried about your cigarettes, so I get shot at. This is ridiculous.
But I need to talk to your sergeant.
Yeah, and they're on their way.
In time.
You're delaying, making me even mad.
You can have a seat right here.
Don't move.
B. Johnston. You will have a complaint put in. Is your body camera going?
Of course it is.
Okay. This ain't my first rodeo, man. You know that.
This isn't a rodeo. This is real life.
The body cam footage ends there. Spitting Cobra's camera captures the audio.
So I'm going to jail for obstruction?
Yep.
Why do you consider that obstruction?
We can talk about it in court. I'm not gonna have a court hearing right here on the side of the road with you.
And you have a sergeant coming?
Yep.
Officer B. Johnston,
Correct.
Glendale PD.
Hi. Can you do me a favor? Can you just hold up a minute? Oh, yeah. I just don't. There may be a guy with a gun up there, and we don't know what he's gonna do. So until I
You
know
guys
that
call
he's okay-
PD Glendale.
Is that good? Can they go by? These people?
Yeah, I think so.
Thank you. No problem.
Did he have a gun?
Oh, okay, good.
We're not going to go search the house for him.
Well, then let me come into the car where it's air conditioned. Come on, just go over here. Stand up. No.
Eventually, the officer brings Spitting Cobra to his cruiser, which is ironically even closer to the window they were so concerned with if there was a shootout, bringing him even closer to the danger zone. The remainder of the video is difficult to hear, but I will link the original if you would like to listen to the rest. They eventually charge him with obstructing, which, as we determined earlier, will be very difficult to prosecute. His first court date was on the 28th. They offered him a deal, but he refused it. Hopefully, it is soon dismissed. Don't forget to check out Spitting Cobra's channel for updates, and while you're there, let him know I sent you. Thanks for watching. If you have a video you'd like me to review, email it or send it in via Facebook Messenger. You can also view this and other content on my website. If you're new here, subscribe for future content. If you've been around for a while, remember to like, share, and comment down below of what you think of this interaction. Shirts and other goodies are available at the Teespring store linked below. Channel memberships start at just $1 if you'd like to further support the channel and get a slick lack logo next to your name. I'll see you in the next video. All links are down below.